Hi friends, welcome back in channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the World War II graphics settings and the gameplay comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the iQOO 7 device. Let's see which phone is really optimized to play the World War II game. And the main reason why I'm doing this kind of video is because just a couple of hours back, I did upload the video on the Realme X1 Max and the Poco F3 GT. And in that, we got to know that Realme X1 Max is not optimized for this kind of World War II. Let's see what happens with the OnePlus Nord 2, because OnePlus Nord 2 has got the Damaged 1200. So, which is quite similar to the other Realme X1 Max and Poco F3 GT, and even the iQOO 7 device, and this is my first time testing in the iQOO 7 device as well with the Snapdragon 870. Let's see in this phone, is it got optimized or not, because this game is optimized for the MI 11X device. There's another video on that MI 11X smartphone, you can clearly see here. So let's check both phones, and let's start at same time 1, 2, 3, and yes, here we go. And I did enable the real-time refresh rate in case if the game supports, you will be able to get to know the real-time refresh rate, that not FPS. So now the iQOO 7 was able to start the game first, then the OnePlus Nord 2, not bad. And let's go to the settings option which is available here, and let's go to the graphics in the OnePlus Nord 2. Yes, so in the OnePlus Nord 2 you cannot play at 90 FPS, sorry, not 120, 90 FPS, it's not supported in the OnePlus Nord 2. You cannot get that kind of option. So you can only play at 60 FPS. At this moment, the World War II game is only supported in the high refresh rate in the Poco F3 GT. It's not supported in the Realme X1 Max and not supported in the OnePlus Nord 2 to play at higher refresh rate. Let's see what about Snapdragon 870, which is present in the iQOO 7 device. So that's what I'm going to check here. Let's go to the graphics, and yes, there is no 120 FPS in the iQOO 7 as well. So it's the iQOO 7 device, same game I'm trying to play, but there is no 120 FPS at all. So overall, both phones were unable to play at 120 FPS. I think it's not optimized maybe for this kind of models, but still the MI 11X was able to play with the Snapdragon 870, and the Poco F3 GT with the Dimensity 1200 was able to play. So I'm not sure why few phones are not optimized, but maybe in the future we might get optimization. But right now you should be able to play only with the 60 FPS only during this process of testing. That's one thing you should definitely remember. And there's one drawback in the iQOO 7 device, because it's very hard for me to show the real-time FPS how much I'm getting. In the OnePlus Nord 2 it's very easy, because you do have the real-time FPS meter and we can actually discuss clearly what is happening in the OnePlus Nord 2, is the FPS is maintaining exactly. Because in the iQOO 7 device you won't be able to get to know even if there is any kind of frame drops or not. As you can see, the frame drops is of 58 FPS. It's maintaining not bad. It's maintaining kind of close to 58 FPS only. Exactly. Not 58 and 59. Not bad. So exactly it was able to maintain perfect FPS without much kind of problem. As you can see, friends, clearly. It's maintaining perfectly all right. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between both phones in terms of the gameplay and default graphics what we got right now in between both phones. So unfortunately, the iQOO 7 is also not optimized at this moment to play the World War II at higher FPS, which is 120 FPS. Sorry. So in case if you want me to do any other game, particularly testing, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do those kind of games in my channel, testing as well, whether those games are actually supported or not in my channel. Stay tuned for those videos, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.